What if I told you that your snake plant could grow much faster than it is right now? Most people believe snake plants are naturally slow growers and that there's nothing they can do to speed up the process. But that's only half the story. While snake plants are known for their patience, the right growing conditions can dramatically increase their growth rate and encourage them to produce new leaves and baby plants much sooner. Have you ever looked at your snake plant after several months and wondered why it looks exactly the same? The problem may not be the plant itself. In many cases, simple mistakes like poor lighting, incorrect watering, or the wrong soil mix are preventing it from reaching its full potential. The good news is that these issues are easy to fix. In today's video, we're revealing 5 powerful secrets that can help your snake plant grow faster, healthier, and stronger. Whether you're a beginner plant parent or a seasoned indoor gardener, these tips can make a noticeable difference. Stay until the end because the final tip is one that many people overlook, yet it can have a huge impact on your plant's overall growth and health. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Give your snake plant more light. One of the biggest secrets to growing a snake plant faster is providing more light. Many people place snake plants in dark corners because they are known as low-light plants. While it's true that snake plants can survive in low-light conditions, surviving and thriving are two very different things. If you want faster growth, your plant needs more energy, and that energy comes from light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal for snake plants. Place your plant near an east-facing or south-facing window where it can receive plenty of filtered light throughout the day. A few hours of gentle morning sunlight can also be beneficial and help stimulate stronger growth. However, avoid harsh afternoon sun that can scorch the leaves. When a snake plant receives sufficient light, it performs photosynthesis more efficiently. This process allows the plant to convert sunlight into energy, which it uses to produce new leaves and strengthen its root system. More energy means faster growth. If your home lacks natural light, consider using a quality LED grow light. Providing 10 to 12 hours of supplemental lighting each day can make a remarkable difference. Better lighting often results in taller leaves, richer color, and faster pup production. Tip number 2. Use the right soil. Mix healthy roots are the foundation of a fast-growing snake plant. Even if you're providing excellent light and proper watering, growth can still be slow if the roots are struggling in poor soil. Snake plants prefer soil that drains quickly and allows air to circulate around their roots. Standard potting soil often holds too much moisture, which can lead to root problems and slow growth. Instead, choose a cactus or succulent soil mix designed for excellent drainage. You can improve drainage even further by adding perlite, pumice, or coarse sand to the mixture. When roots sit in wet soil for too long, they become stressed and may eventually rot. A damaged root system cannot absorb nutrients efficiently, causing the plant's growth to slow down significantly. On the other hand, healthy roots actively absorb water and nutrients, fueling vigorous growth above the soil. It's also important to select a pot with drainage holes. Excess water should be able to escape easily after watering. This prevents moisture buildup and creates a healthier environment for root development. By providing a well-draining soil mix and proper container, you'll create ideal conditions for strong roots, faster leaf production, and the development of new snake plant pups. Tip number 3. Master proper. Watering may seem simple, but it is one of the most important factors affecting snake plant growth. Many owners unintentionally slow their plant's development by watering too frequently. Snake plants are drought-tolerant succulents that store water in their thick leaves, meaning they do not need constant moisture. The best approach is to allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Before adding water, check the soil several inches below the surface. If it still feels damp, wait a few more days. Once the soil is fully dry, water deeply until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Proper watering encourages roots to grow deeper and stronger as they search for moisture. Strong roots support faster growth and healthier leaves. Overwatering, however, creates soggy conditions that suffocate roots and can lead to root rot. During spring and summer, when the plant is actively growing, watering every 2 to 3 weeks may be sufficient. In winter, watering may only be necessary once every 4 to 6 weeks depending on your indoor environment. A consistent watering routine that respects the plant's natural needs will help maintain healthy roots, prevent disease, and encourage steady, vigorous growth throughout the year. Tip number 4, feed your plant for faster growth. Just like people need nutritious food to stay healthy, snake plants need nutrients to grow their best. While these hardy plants can survive without fertilizer for long periods, providing extra nutrients during the growing season can significantly accelerate growth. Spring and summer are the ideal times to fertilize because the plant is actively producing new roots and leaves. Use a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted to half strength. Applying fertilizer once a month is usually enough to support healthy growth without overwhelming the plant. Fertilizer provides essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen supports lush green leaf growth, phosphorus strengthens roots, and potassium improves overall plant health and resilience. Together, these nutrients help your snake plant grow faster and produce stronger foliage. However, more fertilizer is not always better. Over-fertilizing can damage roots, cause leaf discoloration, and actually slow growth. Always follow the recommended dosage and avoid feeding during winter when growth naturally slows down. A properly fertilized snake plant often develops richer green leaves, stronger root systems, and more frequent pups. Combined with good lighting and watering habits, regular feeding can make a dramatic difference in the speed and quality of your plant's growth. Tip number 5, keep temperatures. Warm temperature plays a surprisingly important role in how quickly your snake plant grows. Since snake plants originate from warm regions of Africa, they naturally prefer warmer conditions. When temperatures are ideal, the plant remains active and continues producing new growth. The best temperature range for a snake plant is between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 21 to 32 degrees Celsius. Within this range, roots function efficiently, leaves develop properly, and the plant can maximize its growth potential. Cold temperatures can slow the plant's metabolism significantly. If temperatures consistently drop below 55 degrees Fahrenheit, growth may nearly stop altogether. Exposure to cold drafts from doors, windows, or air conditioning vents can also stress the plant and reduce growth. To encourage faster development, place your snake plant in a warm room with stable temperatures. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations whenever possible. Warmth combined with bright light creates an ideal environment for continuous growth. Many plant owners focus only on watering and lighting while overlooking temperature. Yet maintaining a warm environment can be the missing ingredient that helps a snake plant grow noticeably faster and healthier throughout the year. Now you know the 5 powerful secrets that can help your snake plant grow faster than ever before. While snake plants are naturally slow-growing compared to some houseplants, the right care can make a remarkable difference in how quickly they produce new leaves and pups. Let's quickly review the essentials. Give your plant bright indirect light to maximize energy production. Use a fast-draining soil mix to keep roots healthy and active. Water only when the soil has completely dried out. Feed your plant monthly during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. Finally, maintain warm temperatures to encourage continuous growth and healthy development. Remember, plant growth doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is the key. Small improvements in your care routine can add up to impressive results over time. Before long, you'll notice stronger leaves, richer color, and new pups emerging from the soil. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest plant care guides. Share this video with a fellow plant lover who wants a bigger, healthier snake plant. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more simple tips to help your indoor garden thrive.